Okay, welcome back to the Ict course. This video is going to be on kill zones, everything you need to know, all the basics. And before I give the teaching from my perspective, I've got to give credit to Ict himself for all of these concepts that he's taught people. So if you want a deeper understanding, longer videos, more in depth of Ict content, then check out his channel. But the theory behind Ict kill zones is that throughout the trading day, there are certain times when the volume is higher, and so fast moves can be caught. And these are often at the start of sessions where there's an influx of trade orders being sent, the volume's a lot higher, and the high or low of the day is often created within these times. Mainly the London open kill zone, start of the trading day, start of the huge volume coming in for the whole day, going across New York. And then looking for liquidity sweeps within these time zones can give you high probability setups. So these are the timings for the kill zones, all in Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you convert to your local time if you're doing that and not sticking to EST on your TradingView charts. But the first kill zone is from 8 PM to midnight, and it's the Asian range kill zone. But I wouldn't recommend trading this as the trading volume is much lower. But if you do want to trade it, maybe this is the only session you can trade, depending on where you live, or you just want to trade it. But if you do, then make sure to trade pairs like GBP JPY or New Zealand JPY, anything that will have high volume as the banks are trading in that time zone. You want to use one where one of the currencies, probably ideally two, is being traded in that time zone. And then the second kill zone is the London Open between 2 AM and 5 AM, where the high or low of the day is often formed. Then after that, you've got the New York kill zone, which is between 7 AM and 10 AM. And then finally, the London close kill zone between 10 AM and midday. So yeah, these are the time zones. Note them down or just refer back to this video when you need them. Okay, sorry to interrupt, but I'll try and make it quick and useful. I've started a premium Discord group if you do want to accelerate your trading journey, and I've got a few different options that, depending on where you are in that journey, you can take. So firstly, I've got a monthly mentorship where I do weekly calls, give you my trading setups, as well as support from me and a strong community of determined traders for just $5 a month. I've also got a complete SMC course with everything that you need to know in one place, as well as the strategies that I trade on a funded accounts with proven results. And also comes with a free 30-minute meeting to accelerate your trading journey and fix any issues you have. And then finally, if you want a more personal approach, then I have a few spots for one-to-one mentorship with monthly or more regular calls and unlimited, pretty much 24/7 access to me. Any questions you have, just send them my way, as well as a tailored learning path that I will create for you to get you profitable. So thank you for listening to that. Definitely check out if you're interested in any of those options, and let's get back to the video. But what can you do now? So you can stop trading all day is one thing you can do. You want to focus your energy and decision making on a smaller time window. You can just focus on one session, and this will give you more time for backtesting and research. So you should also combine it with other concepts you like. You can't just trade the kill zone randomly. Combine it with other concepts, other ICT concepts, whatever you like, and just focus on one kill zone is what I'd say. Master one, and then only trade more if you really have to, but one should be enough. You can find enough trading setups a week. So then an extra tip that I've already mentioned a bit earlier is to use pairs that will have higher volume during that session. So the Euro and GBP pairs you could use during the London Open, and then USD pairs in New York, just for examples. But ultimately, what you're going to want to do is just test, see which is best for you and your trading time, work it out, and you'll be good to go. But these are just some guidance. Use Euro and GBP for London, USD for New York, and you'll be set. So this is just one example that I wanted to show you. And as you can see, the low of the day swept out liquidity. You can see this liquidity resting below this low gets taken out in London kill zone, which is the low of the day, as it often is. Not always, you can't always expect it to be. It's not going to be an everyday thing, otherwise everyone would make money, but it's just something to watch out for. And then price pushes up, and then later in the day in the New York kill zone you get a pullback, and you could have got a re-entry or just an entry, lines up with some imbalance here, maybe a low time frame to take price up again. And in New York, what you can expect, sometimes it will give a pullback, sometimes it will reverse, and other times it might just do whatever it wants and not give an entry. It could just range. It's not always going to be a pullback or reversal, but those are two things you can look back for: pullbacks and reversals in New York. But that's going to be it for the video on kill zones. The next video is going to be on institutional order flow, so definitely watch that. Watch all the videos. They're all going to be helpful. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.